Stop saving money the old way. If you still think working harder is the key to financial freedom, you're already falling behind. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the exact money habits wealthy people use to build freedom faster. Most people believe financial freedom requires a six-figure salary. But the truth is, it's more about systems than income. Let's break down 3 powerful habits that can completely change your financial future. Number 1, pay yourself first. Most people spend money first and save whatever is left over. Wealthy people do the opposite. The moment you get paid, automatically move a percentage into investments or savings before touching anything else. Even starting with just 10% can create massive results over time thanks to compound growth. And here's the key: automate it. Because if you rely on motivation, you'll eventually fail. Systems beat motivation every single time. Tip number 2, stop buying liabilities that look like assets. A lot of people upgrade their car, phone, or lifestyle the second they earn more money. Real financial freedom comes from owning income-producing assets. That could be stocks, ETFs, digital businesses, rental properties, or even high-income skills. Before buying something expensive, ask yourself, will this make me money or take money away from me? That one question can save you thousands every year. Tip number 3, increase income before cutting expenses forever. Yes, budgeting matters, but there's a limit to how much you can save. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Focus on building additional income streams. Freelancing, content creation, online businesses, investing. These are the tools people use today to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Even an extra few $100s per month invested consistently can snowball into long-term wealth. Remember, financial freedom is not about looking rich, it's about owning your time. And the earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. If you want more practical financial freedom strategies, subscribe now and watch the next video on screen about building multiple income streams from scratch.